Drones used to be expensive. Remember that? Just a few years ago, owning a drone was a luxury that only a few could afford. The high price tags and limited availability made them a niche product, reserved for professional filmmakers and tech enthusiasts with deep pockets. But times have changed, and so has the drone market. Now, you can get amazing aerial footage without breaking the bank. The advancements in technology and increased competition have driven prices down, making drones accessible to a wider audience. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture stunning landscapes or a content creator aiming to add a new dimension to your videos, there's a drone out there for you. The drone market has exploded with budget-friendly options, and it's awesome. From compact models that fit in your pocket to more advanced drones with impressive flight capabilities, there's something for everyone. This surge in affordable drones has democratized aerial photography and videography, allowing more people to explore their creative potential. One drone generating serious buzz is the Xiaomi Fimi X8 Mini 2. This little marvel has captured the attention of drone enthusiasts and tech reviewers alike. Its compact size and lightweight design make it incredibly portable, perfect for on-the-go adventures. This little guy packs a punch with impressive specs and features, all at a price that won't make your wallet cry. With a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and a range of intelligent flight modes, the Fimi X8 Mini 2 offers a lot of bang for your buck. It's designed to deliver high-quality footage and a smooth flying experience, even for beginners. I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Unboxing the Fimi X8 Mini 2 is an experience in itself, with its sleek packaging and intuitive setup process. From the moment you take it out of the box, you can tell that a lot of thought has gone into its design and functionality. Let's get this review off the ground. We'll be testing its flight performance, camera quality, and overall user experience. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a first-time flyer, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Fimi X8 Mini 2. This isn't just about a single drone though. The rise of affordable drones is part of a larger trend in the tech world. As technology becomes more advanced and production costs decrease, we're seeing a shift towards more accessible and user-friendly gadgets. This is about a trend we're seeing. More and more, high-tech devices are becoming available to the general public, not just tech-savvy individuals or professionals. This democratization of technology is opening up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. Technology is becoming more accessible. That means more creativity. With affordable drones, people from all walks of life can now capture breathtaking aerial shots, explore new perspectives, and share their unique visions with the world. It's an exciting time to be a part of the tech community. More people capturing incredible perspectives. The ability to see the world from above has never been more attainable, and it's changing the way we document our lives and tell our stories. Drones are no longer just tools for professionals, they're becoming essential gadgets for everyday use. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 is a perfect example of this, offering high-end features without the high-end price tag. It's a testament to how far we've come in making advanced technology accessible to everyone. So, whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast or just starting out, the Fimi X8 Mini 2 is definitely worth checking out. First impressions matter, and the Fimi X8 Mini 2 nails it. This drone is seriously compact. We're talking small enough to fit in your backpack, or even a large jacket pocket. When I say portable, I mean it. Foldable arms tucked neatly away, making it perfect for travel. No more bulky cases or worrying about space. But don't let the size fool you, this drone feels solid. The build quality is excellent, especially considering the price point. It's lightweight, but not cheaply made. You can tell Xiaomi put some thought into the design. It feels good in the hand and inspires confidence when you're flying. Alright, let's talk cameras. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 boasts a 4K camera capable of capturing some seriously stunning footage. We're talking sharp details, vibrant colors, and smooth cinematic shots. It's honestly impressive for a drone in this price range. The footage holds up surprisingly well against drones costing twice as much. The camera is stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. What does that mean for you? Silky smooth footage, even when the drone is moving. Windy conditions? No problem, this gimbal keeps everything steady, resulting in professional-looking shots. Plus, the Fimi X8 Mini 2 has some intelligent shooting modes that make capturing epic shots a breeze. More on that later. Now it's time to talk about how this thing actually flies. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 is surprisingly agile and responsive. It zips through the air with ease, making it fun to fly, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. The controls are intuitive and easy to pick up. I was flying confidently in no time. GPS locking is fast and accurate. This is crucial for stability and for those sweet automated flight modes. The drone holds its position incredibly well, even in light wind. It's rock solid. This stability is key for getting those cinematic shots and capturing that perfect photo. Power up your adventures with battery life and range. Battery life is always a concern with drones, but the Fimi X8 Mini 2 impresses once again. You can expect around 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That's pretty incredible for a drone this size. Plenty of time to capture those epic shots and explore the skies. And the range? Don't worry, you won't be tethered to your controller. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 boasts a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. That's over 6 miles. Of course, local regulations and obstacles might affect this, but it's still reassuring to know you have that kind of range potential. Section 6. Safety first, fun always. Safety features and smart flight modes. Safety is paramount when it comes to drones, and the Fimi X8 Mini 2 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with features like obstacle avoidance sensors to help prevent collisions. These sensors work surprisingly well, detecting objects in the drone's path and automatically adjusting course. But wait, there's more. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 also has a reliable return to home feature. Lose track of your drone? No problem. Just hit the return to home button, and it'll automatically fly back to its takeoff point. This is a lifesaver, literally, and provides peace of mind when flying. Section 7. The competition takes flight. Comparing the Fimi X8 Mini 2. Now let's talk competition. In the ever-evolving world of drones, the Fimi X8 Mini 2 has emerged as a strong contender. But how does it stack up against its rivals? Let's dive deeper into the competitive landscape. The budget drone market is fierce, with players like the DJI Mini SE and the Autel Evo Nano Plus vying for your attention. These drones have carved out their own niches, offering unique features and capabilities that appeal to different segments of drone enthusiasts. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 holds its own remarkably well. With its compact design and robust feature set, it's designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned drone pilots. Its flight stability and ease of use make it a favorite among many. It offers comparable features and in some cases even surpasses the competition, especially when you factor in the price. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 boasts impressive specs such as a 4K camera, extended flight time, and intelligent flight modes that are often found in more expensive models. The DJI Mini SE might be a bit cheaper, but it lacks obstacle avoidance. This can be a significant drawback for those who are new to flying drones, or for those who plan to fly in areas with many obstacles. The Autel Evo Nano Plus has a slightly better camera, but it's also pricier. While its camera quality is commendable, the higher price point may not justify the marginal improvement for some users. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 strikes a great balance between price, features, and performance. It's not just about having a good camera or long flight time, it's about the overall package. The Fimi X8 Mini 2 delivers on multiple fronts, making it a versatile choice for various flying needs. It's a compelling option for budget-conscious flyers. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial footage or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, the Fimi X8 Mini 2 offers a well-rounded experience without breaking the bank. For those looking to get the most value out of their investment, this drone is definitely worth considering. Section 8. Is the Xiaomi Fimi X8 Mini 2 the best budget drone of 2024? This is a question that many drone enthusiasts and potential buyers are asking as we head into the new year. With so many options on the market, it can be challenging to determine which drone offers the best value for your money. So the big question, is the Xiaomi Fimi X8 Mini 2 the best budget drone of 2024? Let's dive into what makes this drone stand out from the competition, and why it might just be the perfect choice for you. It's definitely a strong contender. The Xiaomi Fimi X8 Mini 2 has been designed with both beginners and experienced pilots in mind, offering a user-friendly experience without compromising on advanced features. It packs a ton of value into a small, affordable package. The camera is excellent, capable of capturing stunning 4K video and high-resolution photos. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture beautiful landscapes or a content creator needing high-quality footage, this drone has you covered. The flight performance is impressive, with stable hovering and smooth maneuverability even in windy conditions. The drone's compact size doesn't compromise its ability to handle various flight scenarios, making it versatile for different types of aerial photography and videography. And the battery life is more than adequate, providing up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This means you can spend more time capturing the perfect shot and less time worrying about recharging. Plus, it's loaded with safety features and intelligent flight modes. These include obstacle avoidance, return to home, and follow me mode, which make flying safer and more enjoyable. These features are particularly beneficial for beginners who are still getting the hang of piloting a drone. It might not be perfect, no drone is, but for the price, it's hard to beat. The Xiaomi Fimi X8 Mini 2 offers a balance of performance, features, and affordability that is rare in the budget drone market. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of drones without breaking the bank, the Fimi X8 Mini 2 is an excellent choice. It's accessible for beginners yet powerful enough to satisfy more experienced users. It's a great all-rounder that's perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Whether you're just starting out or looking to add a reliable, budget-friendly drone to your collection, the Xiaomi Fimi X8 Mini 2 is definitely worth considering. Section 9. Taking the plunge. Final thoughts and recommendations. Overall, the Xiaomi Fimi X8 Mini 2 is an impressive piece of tech. It's affordable, easy to use, and capable of capturing stunning aerial footage. It's a testament to how far drone technology has come and how accessible it's become. If you're on the fence about getting a drone, the Fimi X8 Mini 2 is a great place to start. Just remember to fly safe, follow all local regulations, and most importantly, have fun exploring the world from a whole new perspective. The sky's the limit. Until next time, this is MKBHD signing off. Peace.